How to send an email for beginners. Hi everyone, are you new to email? If you are, don't worry. In this tutorial, we will show you how we can send an email in just a few easy steps. So whether you're using Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, the basics are pretty similar. So let's just get started with the video on how we can send an email for beginners. First of all, go ahead and open up email app or your website. For now, I'm using the email app. You may just go ahead and open up your browser or your email provider like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. After that, log in into your account. Just go ahead and log in into your account, enter your email address and password to log in. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and look up for a sign up or create option. And then click or tap on compose icon at the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can create a new email from that button. So here in this to field, you're going to type the email address of the person you want to send to email to. For example, this one right here. After the recipient is added, you can select a subject and write a short title for your email. This gives the recipient an idea of what the email is about. For example, meeting reminder or something like that. And in the large text below in the subject line, you're going to type in your message. You're going to just go ahead and type in your message like, hi, ABC, I hope this message finds you well. I just want to check in you about something and best regards and your name below. After that, just go on with the process of writing an email like how you normally do. And if you need to send in a document or photo or other file, look for a paperclip icon or attached file in the option. You can find it at the upper right corner. And once you're happy with your email, look at the send button. Usually at the button, it is available at the bottom or top of your screen. Just go ahead and click on send and go to your send folder. Just go ahead back after that and you can find the send option. When you go to the send option, you will be finding your email that was sent successfully. And that is it. Now you know how you can send an email by following this method. Go ahead and give it a try. And if this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more beginner and friendly tips. And thank you and see you next time.